Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you my Indian skincare ritual that I am currently following for about 3 weeks, and I've been loving this. This is so minimal yet very effective, and I'm going to use the products from the brand Tribe Concept, and I've been trying these products for about 3 weeks now, and I thought I'll review and share my experience, also do my nighttime skincare routine. So yes, if you're interested, keep on watching. Also, if you're new to this channel and watching me for the first time, make sure to subscribe, and let's start. Alright, and the first step that I'm going to use is a good cleanser. You guys know that I love a gentle cleanser which is hydrating and does the job, cleans the face well. So today I'm going to use the Tribe Concept Daily Brightening Face Cleanser, and I've been using this from like couple of weeks. And you guys, this is so good. Like, this is such a multifunctional thing, I would say, and I've used quite a lot. And you can also use this as a face mask and as a cleanser, and this works really well, mildly exfoliates the skin and also does the job, like cleans your face really well. So I mostly use this cleanser in my morning skincare routine because I don't have any kind of sunscreen on my skin and all that, so I don't really have a lot of dirt piled up. So this is a very gentle and basic cleanser, and after using this cleanser I keep it for like 2 minutes and then wash it off, and this brightens up my skin like anything. With this really cute spoon with it, so I will take this much of amount for my entire face and neck and just mix it up with little water to make a paste kind of consistency. This cleanser is packed with lots of amazing ingredients and has a very herby scent. Also, their products does not have any artificial color or added fragrance, which is amazing. And you guys know that I mostly prefer my skincare without any kind of fragrance because it's mild and gentle. And also this one has a lot of ingredients which can feel a little scrubby, so if you don't like using harsh scrubs for face, which I do not recommend using first of all, and this is really good if you want to mildly exfoliate your skin as well at the same time. So this can work as a cleanser, as a mild scrub or exfoliator, and this can also be used as a face mask, which is amazing. So you can actually get 3 benefits from this product. If you're someone who does not like to use a lot of cleansers and all that, so this is a very good way to clean your face, especially in the morning, and especially for dry skin this is really good because does not dry up the skin. For some amazing ingredients, this has sandalwood, manjista, holy basil leaves, which is like tulsi if you know, and it also has neem leaves, fried rose petals and turmeric roots. So all of the ingredients that they have put in this cleanser is completely organic. Also, this has a very fine granule, so it will not irritate the skin or it will not create any kind of micro tear in your skin. It's very gentle on the skin. I love this. So I'm now going to wash my skin and come back. Definitely my skin feels really smooth and it actually minimizes the texture on my skin. So yes, this is a very gentle and very good cleanser. The next step, I'm going to leave my skin a little red, and I'm going to use this Tribe Concept Collagen Boosting Face Mask, and this, oh my god you guys, I love this. I've used quite a lot, as you can see, and you just need a thin layer, and this is so good, packed with some bomb ingredients like ashwagandha, which is like Indian ginseng. And if you know the benefits of ginseng, it's so good to boost collagen in your skin and elasticity in your skin. It actually made the blood flow really fast in your skin so that it can produce more collagen in the skin. This also has some amazing antioxidants like Indian shilajit, and this also has saffron, triphala, and also rose petal, like dried rose petals, and very few ingredients, but this works on the skin like anything. And I have been seeing a lot of changes in my pigmentation, and if you're looking for a great face mask which helps in your pigmentation in a longer term, I think this is it. You should definitely check this out and invest in this. So I'm going to take this porcelain bowl and I'm going to scoop just 1 spoon from this face mask, this much. So I'm going to take this much, and now I'm going to make a paste with it. And you can use rose water, curd, yogurt, use some fruit juice like cucumber juice, papaya juice, and just make a good paste. And now I'm going to apply it on my damp skin because this works on damp skin really well, and you just require a very thin layer, and this works like anything. And I'm going to leave it for about like 15 minutes. I will not let it completely dry. That is one trick that I have learned recently, and face masks work really well that way. So you don't have to let them completely dry, and just keep it for a good period of time. It will work. And also you don't really need a very thick layer. even if you put a thin layer, it is going to work. I'm going to leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's semi-dry. I'm not going to completely dry it because it works that way. Okay, so the mask has like semi-dried on my skin. So now I'm going to wash it and come back and show you how my skin looks. This makes my skin look so bright and clear, and you guys can see it's literally glowing. My skin is glowing right now. So definitely I love this. So if you're someone who is in a hunt for an anti-aging face mask which actually boosts collagen in your skin, I highly recommend you to check this out. And since I'm going to keep my skincare routine very minimal, so I decided to use this Kumkumadi Tailam from the Tribe Concept. I have heard a lot about Kumkumadi Tailam. It is usually very costly, like this oil, but this is affordable. This is just for 9.99 rupees and you get a 30 ml bottle. And the consistency and the formulation, everything about this oil is so beautiful. This works on your pigmentation like magic, and you only require 2 to 3 drops. I mean, it's not very lightweight, I would say, but it's not extremely thick. It's just the perfect consistency for the skin. And if you're someone who has a very dry skin and normal skin as well, this is going to work like anything. And if you are from oily skin type, I would say mix it in your moisturizer and all that, and this is going to work beautifully. You can also put this in like few drops in your face mask and keep it for like 15-20 minutes and wash it off. And this one is so good. Consistency of this product is so beautiful. As you can see the color, because it has got saffron and also it has got turmeric in it. I am just going to take like 2-3 drops of it, form it between my palms and gently going to put it all over my skin. This feels so good. If you like facial oils, you have to try this. And this is so lightweight yet very hydrating. It seals all the moisture in your skin, and I can see a lot of tremendous changes in my dark circle. Reason being, I have a very dry under eyes. Like most dry part of my skin is my under eyes. So because of that, my skin looks really dull and tired under my eyes. But this has been working so well. It's so hydrating. Sometimes I just take a few drops for my under eyes and put it as a mask, under eye mask. This is so hydrating. You can also use this with gua sha if you like to massage your skin once a week or all that. I have been wanting to try Tribe Concept for a long time. Finally got to try it. So yeah, I highly recommend. If you're looking for a amazing Kumkumadi Tailam, then I highly recommend you to check this. And there are a few reasons why I've been loving this brand is because of the packaging. So this is a reusable packaging. This is a complete like steel kind of packaging. You can wash this boxes and use it for your other stuff like masalas and all that. And the quantity is also very good, so you can keep a lot of things. And I love this reusable like packaging. This is so eco-friendly, so good. I genuinely like this. Also, this is completely organic. The ingredients they have used is completely organic. Also, this is handmade. And one more thing, when you use any product from this brand, make sure to use it within like 6 months, because they don't use preservatives, so it might go bad after that. So make sure to use it within 6 months of the opening of the product. And also this brand is completely cruelty free, no synthetic fragrance or color is added, which is amazing and very good for all skin actually. So yes, I highly recommend you to check Tribe Concept, and especially all these 3 products, because I have tried these 3 only from them now, but I am planning to try more of their products. I recommend you to check this out, and I'm going to leave all the links in the description box, so make sure to check it. And yes, I've been really enjoying this product. And yes, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this and found this to be helpful. Let me know if you have any queries or questions related to this brand or products in the comments below, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Till then, please be happy, take care of yourself, and bye.